Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of 22nd Century Group, and although it's a flat chart or consolidated chart, so we don't have much data as far as the long term is concerned, but it will give you a sense of understanding that it's been flat since 2013 and 14. So for the last 5 or 6 years it's been flat and it's been moving inside a range now, which will give you a sense of momentum which the stocks carried and the levels which one need to look at in this particular trend. Okay, so what you have here right now are something like this. That's it. Okay, one need not to go beyond these levels. Now understand this level, so this is going to be very quick. Now, because we are looking at a monthly chart, so the levels will be big, support and resistance level, and will be far apart from one another. So considering that the stock has retested its previous low, which it has made in the year 2015 or probably in the year 2013 and now in 2020 and started moving up, we will have our first support at 0.87 and we will have our big support or the last support 0.57. So if the stock falls below 0.57, one should not carry any position, because if the stock falls below 0.57, there is a probability that it could retest its previous low of 0.15, which it has seen in the year 2012. Now on the upside, you will have your first target or resistance at 1.7. If it sustains above that, you will have your big or probably the last target at 4.45, and if it is very exceptional, then it could probably go to as high as 6.4 or 6.44 or 6.45 on the upside. So this is how the trend of 6.5 on the upside, this is how the trend looks like, this is how the trend is for you if you want to trade for short term, long term, or momentum, whatever, because we don't know how the momentum be in the next couple of days, weeks, or months. But what we do know is the trend and the way the stock is moving. Probably the if you see this long term chart, you will see that it has uh, reached its support level and started moving up from that level, and we are probably going to hit the upper end of the range, which will be, as I have explained in front of you. What you should not do is, don't think that it will go below 0.57 and don't think that it will go above 0.65. Let the stock decide. If not, then you must rest inside the trend. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.